Hello, welcome Annapolis. Come on into 142 Charles Street. Key feature of some of these beautiful larger homes downtown Annapolis is to have what we call the center hall entry. So you can see that the center hallway here leads to a beautiful staircase. You have a powder room and then entry into the gracious rooms this way. One of my favorite rooms in the home is this front living room, study, whatever you want to call it, but it's just off the front hall, right off of Charles Street with these gorgeous floor-to-ceiling windows. A perfect place to entertain guests. And living downtown Annapolis, you will have people pop by to visit you or come to stay with you from out of town. Stepping into the dining room, you'll see this room is large enough for a very full-size table. You can have big family feasts here for all the holidays. And of course, we have our bar set up over here. And then follow me through these lead glass doors into the bright and sunny family room. This area is an open concept between the family room and the modern kitchen, which is so important for how people live today. The homeowner of this home currently loves to entertain. She's a gourmet cook. I can personally attest, I've been here for her dinner parties, and she does a beautiful job. This kitchen more than accommodates all of her cooking needs. It's sleek and modern in design, and it opens out to the courtyard, which is the perfect spot to dine under the stars. This courtyard is the perfect size. It's not too big, so it's easy to maintain, but there's plenty of room to spread out with your guests. One of the modern features of this home is the super convenient bedroom level laundry room. The fifth bedroom also makes a nice cozy office. Just a few steps up from level 2, you have the primary owner's level. So there's 2 bedrooms here, and the current homeowner uses this as their entire primary suite. So let's take a look. First, we have what the homeowner calls his man cave. This is his den, his upstairs study. It's a super cozy room with lots of great natural light. He's got the television and the comfy couch and desk and everything he needs, but this could be an additional bedroom if you need it. And there's a built-in closet. So let's go check out the bedroom. All the rooms in this home are gracious size, beautiful windows, tons of natural light. We have the charming feature of the antique fireplace. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. But many people in these older homes will retrofit a gas line and just put a gas insert. So you could do that. Again, we have tons of windows, lots of natural light, additional storage, and 2 beautifully appointed bedrooms. Each of these bedrooms is spacious and has its own closet space. The 2 rooms are connected with a doorway, which can create a suite if desired, which is perfect for the kids. Finishing up this level is a gorgeous, updated full bath. Thanks for touring 142 Charles Street in historic downtown Annapolis. I'm Michele Deckman of the Tower team of TTR Sotheby's. Thanks for coming.